Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is November 29 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Lowry Bailey. Yesterday, the euro rose and settled above the level of 1.0946 on the daily chart, approaching the target level of 1.1033. Despite all this, the signal line of the Marlin oscillator cannot return to its own rising channel. A correction will likely occur from the nearest target 1.1033. If the situation with the Marlin improves, the euro may reach the upper band of the price channel around the target resistance of 1.1096, April peak. On the 4-hour chart yesterday, the price once again bounced off the MACD indicator line, it's a blue line on the graphic, and continued to rise at an accelerated pace. The Marlin oscillator continues its stable upward movement. We expect the price to reach the nearest target level of 1.1033. We've got a red hot focus for GBPUSD presented by Dean Lau. The GBPUSD pair not only reached the level of 1.2700, but managed to break it through. As a result, have been seen a subsequent technical signal for the pound's recovery relative to the decline from July to September. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI technical indicator is hovering at the level of 76, which is close to the critical overbought level located around the value of 82. On the 4-hour chart, the alligator's MAs are headed upwards, which corresponds to the upward cycle. In case the price settles above the level of 1.2700, the pound can rise towards 1.2800, 2850. However, we should be prepared for a technical rollback due to the pound sterling's overbought status. The complex indicator analysis points to an upward cycle in the short term, medium term, and intraday periods. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tapas. Early in the European session, gold is trading around 2045, retreating after reaching the high of 2052. Gold is producing a strong overbought signal and an imminent technical correction is likely to occur in the coming hours. So the metal could reach the daily pivot point of around 2033. Much of the strong movement in gold is due to the fall in treasury yields and the fall in the dollar index USDX. A weaker dollar fuels the demand for gold and thus the price rises. Another factor is that almost every year gold rises in late November and early December for Christmas and New Year's shopping. Gold has encountered strong rejection around the top of the uptrend channel formed since November 9. If it tests this level in the next few hours and fails to break it, this could be seen as a signal to sell below 1952. The 2033 area where the daily pivot point is located and plus 1.8 Muri level are acting as immediate support. We are likely to see a technical rebound in gold around this area and the price could resume its bullish cycle and reach plus 2.8 Muri at 2061. As long as gold trades below the top of the uptrend channel around 2052, it could be seen as a signal to sell, with the target at 2031. In case gold breaks this support, we could expect the price to reach the bottom of the uptrend channel around 2018. If the gold correction deepens and the price falls below 21 SMA, located at 2011, it could be seen as a change in the trend and a clear signal to sell, with targets at 200 EMA, located at 1970. In view of the fact that the Eagle indicator is given an extremely overbought signal, it's imminent that a strong technical correction will occur in the next few hours. Therefore, as long as gold trades below 2062 plus 28 Muri, it will be seen as an opportunity to sell. What about cross-currency pairs? It's time for AUDJPY, area of magma describes. If we look on the 4-hour chart of AUDJPY cross-currency pairs, then we can see that the price movement is moving to form the lower high and above the moving average. This means in the near future, AUDJPY has the potential to strengthening. But there is a possibility that AUDJPY will experience the downward correction. But as long as the downward correction doesn't exceed below the level 97.20, then AUDJPY has the potential to strengthen it again, today up to the level 98.52 as the main target. And if the momentum as well as the volatility is good enough, then there is possibility that the level area of 98.92 and 99.33 will become the next target to be aimed off. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.